Assalamualaikum, my name is Mashita binti Muhammad Nizam. So in this part of our business model canvas, I'll be explaining the key partners and key activities for our anger management application. For the key partners are the external organizations or people that help our business succeed. For our anger management app, our key partners are mainly in the mental health field. First, we have the Malaysian Mental Health Association, MMHA. So MMHA can support us with professional advice, counseling resources, and even collaboration in content creation or testing features that truly help people with anger issues. Second, we have the WHO, or also known as the World Health Organization. Next is the key activities. So what do we need to do to make this app successful? First, we have the anger data analysis. So we will collect and analyze user data to understand triggers, trends, and progress. This helps us to personalize the experience and improve our anger management tools. Second, we have the app development and maintenance. We need to build the app, so keep it updated and fix bugs. It's crucial to have a smooth, user-friendly experience. Third, we have the research and development, R&D. To stay effective, we need to keep researching new anger management methods and test what works best for users. Fourth, we have the marketing. And finally, we need to promote the app on social media like Instagram, TikTok, and so on, so we can reach people who need help managing their anger.
Hello, my name is Ali Muhammad Fathi Abdul Qadir Al Baramawi, and I'm going to speak about the key resources and the value proposition as well.
Now, moving on to the key resources. So, right now, for the development of the app, it involves 5 bullet points. We have the content and resources providers, the people who are actually going to provide the resource and the content as well. Moving to the user feedback and the testing. Now, obviously, after having a development team that's going to develop, we need a user feedback that's then going to give feedback back to the development team and then going to the testing. Now, and then we have a technical support. We will need maintenance unless we have a marketing and sales team. So we're going to need an expert on both sides, marketing and sales. Moving on to the value proposition. Now, gaining knowledge about the emotional state experienced at that time. Moving on to given an initial exposure about the causes of emotional problems for the users. As we know, this is an anger management app. So we have to understand the emotional state at this exact time, while giving an initial exposure about the causes of this emotional problem itself, providing a platform for users to express and tell all their problems through a journal provided in the application itself. Now we could also provide a data analysis to access this journal, or we have to keep it private, so considering different aspects as well, while giving the best suggestions to overcome the emotional problems of users according to the level of anger experienced. Now, prevent users from getting stuck with mental problems. Thank you so much. Moving on to my friend.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Ismail bin Razamani, and today I will talk to you about customer relationship and channels for the business model curve. For our customers relationship, we aim to build a long-term connection by offering continuous emotional support, progress tracking. The app also includes self-service features where users can independently access tools and resources to manage their anger. Additionally, we provide personal assistance through direct interaction between users and healthcare professionals for more serious cases. As for our channels, we will reach our users through online websites, social media platforms, and advertisement to raise awareness. The application will be made available on App Store and Google Play Store to make it more accessible to users who are actively seeking emotional support tools.
The cost structure for the development of the app involves 5 main points. The first point, the content and resource. We actually need to find good valuable content to be able to sell to the customer, or content that the user will actually be interested in using or applying for using our app. Second is the infrastructure setup and the server. Server costs are now one of the most expensive costs of business for this mobile application. And third, the administrative and support. Administration is very good, very important in any business, because without the proper management, we cannot, no app can function and no app can be actually built. Now, the fourth point is the research and development. We need to develop the app with modern resources so that we can we can achieve very reliable speeds, very reliable latency in the app itself, so that the app become more and more user friendly. And lastly, of course, the marketing and advertising. If we don't find any customers, then we have no business. So we need to be able to launch very, very targeted and very, very efficient marketing strategies, which will cost a lot of money in hiring the marketing agencies and also the marketing companies.
Good afternoon. I'm Tanishwar. So I'll be explaining you about the customer segments. Our target customers are people between the age of 20 to 40. Other users are also welcome to use the app. We are creating this app for those who are struggling with controlling their anger and want to improve their emotional regulation skills. Other potential customers for an anger management app may include healthcare professionals such as therapists, counselors, and social workers who work with individuals struggling with anger management. Next will be the revenue streams. This app will charge for users who want to get counseling services through detailed data about the situation they are experiencing. Then, income from advertising sales or services provided on social media. And lastly, income is derived from the number of users who subscribe to this application. That's all.